If you want to architect data resilience and portability yourself, there's no other solution than Veeam. My name is Eric Denholtz. I'm the Senior Systems Engineer for Lamps Plus. We are the largest specialty lighting company in the United States. We offer over 90,000 interior decor designs, specialty lighting, and other things for your home. We have a thriving e-commerce store and over 30 brick and mortar shops throughout Western and Central US. I had a lot of tall orders to ask when I wanted to architect this Veeam infrastructure that we have. There's a massive amount of data. It's growing 15 to 20% per year. And one of the challenges obviously is not only securing that data, but also making it portable. Veeam helps us achieve better data protection coverage. I chose Veeam Vault for our backups really for price, performance, and ease. Veeam is my number one security product. First thing that we were able to do with Veeam right away was take our protection coverage from 40% to 99.9%. It might even be 100%, honestly. We can now recover data, whether it be files or entire systems, in minutes and hours, where it used to be days, if not never. We have all types of security layers, but when it comes down to it, my immutable storage that's air-gapped in the cloud with Veeam is my number one protection. With Veeam Vault, I know exactly what we're paying. I know exactly where we're headed, and it's all within the Veeam ecosystem, which is, an ecosystem I trust. The storage agnostic approach that Veeam takes is probably my overall favorite because I really get the flexibility to choose what hardware I want to work with. Also, the support for object storage and immutability, whether it's on-prem or in the cloud, really gives me the ability to add a layer of resilience to our infrastructure and our data that a lot of other providers don't offer. Threats are evolving with AI and ransomware. So Veeam lets me go to bed at night, honestly, and feel better about it. Veeam is a very engineering first company. The people are great, the support is great, which is a huge plus, but it's very engineering focused. So they're always on the cutting edge of what the industry is doing and what the needs are for IT organizations.